Hey there, it's Stefan along with my partners Paul O'Keefe and Richard Fairbairn. As you know, anyone can find something to sell and set up shop online as a vendor, either with their own products, as an affiliate, a dropshipper, or something similar. But only a small percentage of those who do actually make it anywhere. What separates the success stories from the rest? One word: traffic. So today, I'm going to be showing you our powerful traffic method and traffic software that help us add in thousands of free visitors a day that we turn into leads and conversions, and how it works so well that we're able to tap into virtually any niche and start collecting traffic, leads, and sales the very same day we set everything up. The best part? We can set up as many free traffic destinations as we like for any niche, all without having to wait forever or having to worry about increasingly expensive paid traffic, leading to thousands of passive, free visitors in any niche we want every single day. Just one of our sites has recently exploded to well over 1 million visits using the traffic method and software we're talking about. And this was all done without any paid traffic, any product creation or launching, and without relying on any shady or non-trustworthy method. So instead of filling this video up with a bunch of fluff and hype, we're going to share facts and results because that's what we believe in. So by now you're probably asking yourself what traffic source we're talking about. Well, it turns out the hottest traffic source you need to start using right now is Pinterest. It works the same in any niche, is a content discovery platform actually made for people to be led off the site, compared with other social networks that do not want you driving their traffic off of the platform. Plus, Pinterest users have very high spending power compared to other social networks, higher average order value counts, and it's mostly women who, statistically, tend to buy way more. All the hottest niches are active with tons of traffic that you can tap into. Everything from make money online, internet marketing, all the way into health, relationships, travel, finance, and everything in between. And yes, Pinterest users love to buy. The platform is made for them to discover what you are offering. We've been perfecting our Pinterest traffic methods for years and bringing results like these for our own profiles as well as our high-ticket coaching students. The peace and comfort of knowing that whatever we want to sell and whatever project we'll set up, we can drive traffic to using our proven methods without waiting years to rank in Google, making the other social networks angry by taking their visitors, or burning a massive hole in our wallets with paid traffic. We decided, as paid traffic skyrockets and SEO only becomes more competitive, we wanted to package up our methods and time-saving software tools into a suite that anyone could use to finally get the free traffic they need. So, we're introducing you to Rapid Traffic Suite. Rapid Traffic Suite is our powerful combination of traffic training and software tools designed to help you grow your Pinterest following super fast, find the traffic hotspots on Pinterest in seconds versus spending days to find them manually, the steps that we take to have our traffic coming in totally passively and growing it day in and day out, the methods we use to grow our email lists and sales using the traffic, what we like to sell including our favorite top converting affiliate offers and more, and to understand how to set up your own Pinterest traffic machine, bringing you constant and growing free traffic for leads, sales, and more. For any project that you set up, you can use the powerful Rapid Traffic Suite software to make all of this 10 times easier and faster. The beauty of this method is that there's no limit to how many pages and projects you could set up that you want to send free traffic to. And it immediately puts you above the 95% of marketers that regularly fail because they can't solve the traffic problem that Rapid Traffic Suite is solving for you. These strategies are completely legal and ethical and so dummy-proof that anyone can do it. And we'll show you everything inside Rapid Traffic Suite. Remember, we also show you how to automate the entire process so that you can let the traffic gods do all the work for you, bringing you thousands of hands-off free visitors day in and day out. You'll know which niches to enter, the best affiliate offers to go after, and how to get free traffic even if you have somewhere you already want to send it. You'll even know how to keep scaling your commissions and build even bigger email lists in the process. With all of the traffic methods getting way more expensive and all these other hypey softwares out there that don't work a week after you buy them, you simply can't afford to fall behind. You need to have what actually works. So it only makes sense to grab Rapid Traffic Suite now, risk-free at the low introductory price, only available right now. So you won't fall victim to what happens to the other marketers and business owners who never figure out their traffic. In the time you spent thinking about it, you could have already went through the training and started setting up your first followers on your way to fast, rapid traffic. So scroll down below this video, check out all the features and details of Rapid Traffic Suite, watch the demo, and then make sure you grab it for the introductory launch week pricing. You literally have nothing to lose and everything to gain. We can't wait to hear about your results.